Are you dreaming of buying a property inside a business district as beautiful and as futuristic as BGC, but with a lot of open spaces? And what if I tell you na kapag sa BGC ka bumili, of course, you can just invest on a vertical development like condo. But what if I tell you that you can have the BGC feels community and living, but you can own a lot and build your dream home? The bonus is, you are very near Nuvali, Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, an Ayala Land estate, but cheaper price per square meter. Welcome to Venido, here in Broadfield Estate by Ayala Land. Hi, this is Jairep Property Geek, and today I will share you one of the rarest lot investments here in the South. Only last 2 lots left. This is Venido, an Ayala Land lot community inside Broadfield Business District. Let's zoom out first. Macro perspective muna tayo para mas ma-appreciate nyo on how good the location of Venido is. So let's have a quick road trip first, coming from Nuvali, kung paano pumunta dito sa Venido and how near it is to the Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. So coming here from Nuvali, I just want you to be familiarized kung nasan yung location ni Broadfield Estate coming from Nuvali. So Nuvali, malaki kasi siya. Ito yung pinakakilala sa area. Kumbaga, ito yung overrated, sikat, popular, but merong mga Ayala Land estate, just like Southmont and now Broadfield, na it's an Ayala brand, but you can still get a cheaper price per square meter than here inside Nuvali. But still, you can still get an Ayala Land property management, security, safety, all of what you can get on buying a lot inside Nuvali, magagawa mo rin siya on buying outside Nuvali, but still Ayala Land Estate and within the area. So, magsisimula dito tayo sa malaking signage papunta kay Broadfield para makita nyo or magkaroon kayo ng idea on how near it is dito kay Nuvali. So, this is Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. On our left, yan yung papunta sa SMU Verde, papuntang Tagaytay and Silang, and of course, sa Southmont. On our right naman, pag Greenfield City, and of course, papunta sa Enchanted Kingdom and Santa Rosa proper. But hindi tayo lumiko, nagdire-diretso tayo. Ito yung papunta sa South Forbes, papunta sa Binyan area, and Silang Cavite area ng nung lugar kung nasan tayo. Mas kilala lang natin si Santa Rosa, pero yung mga emerging estates ngayon, most especially from Ayala Land, nag-iba lang ng address kasi ang nangyayari, nasa border lang sila ng Santa Rosa and nagkataon lang din na ang nasasakupan or yung cover area, for example, here ni Broadfield is already Binyan, Laguna. But the good thing is the neighboring area is very prime, 70 hectare De La Salle University, South Forbes, and a very good accessibility kasi maraming gagawing routes na access si Ayala Land in the future. That's why may plan sila magkaroon ng bus rapid transit connecting all their estates here in the area. So ito yung ginawa ni Ayala. So this is the Nuvali flyover coming from Broadfield. Pwede niyong gamitin yan. So patuloy yung paggawa and continuous yung paggawa ng mga routes and pag-improve para sa easy transportation and hindi magkaroon ng bottleneck when it comes to technically traffic management here in the area. So if you are coming from Manila, dito ka mag-e-exit sa Mamplasan. So from, kunwari, di ba, Manila, Makati or BGC, magte-take ka ng South Luzon Expressway, just take Mamplasan exit and from there, pasok ka ng Cavite Laguna Expressway and take here. Ito ay yung Laguna Boulevard exit. And then, dito ka lang papasok. So, coming from these cars, mag-U-turn ka lang. So, ito na yung road papunta sa Broadfield. So, ito yung isa sa pinakamabilis na route. But as I have said earlier, meron pang kabilang road na katabi naman ng Laguna Technopark. So maraming access papunta sa Broadfield. And if you have a Greenfield City sticker coming from ang Plaza and Exit, hindi ka na magte-take ng Calax, no? Doon ka na magpapasok sa Greenfield City entrance, pero meron yung sticker. So you just have to pay an annual sticker of around 3,000 pesos. So marami kang pwedeng daanan. So on our left side, we have churches. We have a Catholic church and a born-again church. And then, magdire-diretso lang tayo, meron kang maaabutan or makikita na school, which is Caritas Don Bosco School, aside from De La Salle University. So, paliko na tayo sa Broadfield Estate. This will gonna be a prime development by Ayala because this is not a residential development. This would be a commercial district in the future. So, a business campus in the south, just beside De La Salle University, and inside Broadfield District, meron tayong residential projects just like Venido. So, I just want you to see kung ano yung magiging development here in the area. As you can see, wala pang nakatayo dito, pero almost all sold out na po yung commercial lots. And as you can see sa renderings, ganito po yung magiging itsura niya in the future. BGC feels talaga siya, but a lot of open spaces in the area. And this is the first gate ni De La Salle University, aside from the other gate na pupuntahan natin mamaya. But coming from the Broadfield Estate entrance, so ang mangyayari is liliko ka lang. No, magdidire-diretso ka lang pag nakita mo yung gate, and then merong kanto sa right, which is itong dinadaanan natin ngayon. Liliko ka lang dito, and Venido is very near na. It's literally beside De La Salle University and the business district of Broadfield. Actually, on our left, kung nakikita nyo yung perimeter wall on our left, ayan na po si Venido. So we still have last 2 lots left in this community, in this subdivision. So if you want a BGC feels living, but you are not buying a condo, you are buying a lot, and cheaper the price per square meter na New Valley, but you will get a New Valley feels because it's an Ayala brand, this is the perfect project for you. Before we visit the last 2 lots inside Venido, which is here in Broadfield Estate, dito muna tayo sa commercial district niya kasi mga lots lang naman yung mga makikita natin doon. Pero the good news is, kumpleto na siya. Kumbaga pag binayaran nyo ng cash yung lote nyo, pwede na kayo mag-build ng house. So, RFO na talaga yung lote niya. But more than that, I want you to appreciate kung ano yung mabibili at mabibigay ng lot investment nyo if you decide na makabili sa last 2 lots natin sa Venido. So, na-feature ko na ito. This is Broadfield Estate. And now, nandito tayo sa magiging first business campus district in the south. This is Broadfield Estate. And ang rare ng location ni Venido. Kasi sabi ko nga sa introduction kanina, this will have the feels of BGC. But if you will invest in BGC, of course, wala nang lot only doon. Commercial lot na lang at grabe yung price per square meter. But here, you have the chance na magkaroon ng lot only, you will build your dream house, and if your priority is accessibility and market value appreciation because you are beside a business district, and not just that, you are beside the 70-hectare De La Salle University campus and very accessible through different routes and very near New Valley, Greenfield City, going to Tagaytay, NAIA, and of course, Makati and BGC. So let's have a drone shot first. This is the exact location of Venido. Nakikita nyo ngayon, very close-knit community lang. It's about like less than 400 to 500 lots lang and 16 lots per hectare. So, technically, you are enjoying an open space kung ano yung weather dito sa Biñan, kasi Biñan, Laguna na po yung address nito ni Venido. Actually, ito ring Broadfield Estate. Nagkataon lang na nilampasan niya yung border ng Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. But it's very near Nuvali, which is nakita nyo naman sa road trip natin kanina. It's less than 5 minutes away, nandyan ka na kay Nuvali using the flyover of Nuvali. So ngayon, nakikita nyo sa top view ni Benido, ang pinaka-rare sa location nito, hindi lang siya tinabihan ng isang driver ng market value appreciation in the future. Usually, masasanay tayo, bili ka ng lote dito kasi malapit sa school. Bilin mo to kasi malapit to sa SLEX, Calax, going to Manila. Bilin mo to kasi malapit ito sa magiging business district in the future. Isa-isa lang, no, yung major factor para mag-drive ng market value appreciation in the future. Ito, lahat ng pwedeng maging drivers ng market value appreciation in the future, napapalibutan siya. Number 1, ito na lang si De La Salle University. This is a 70-hectare De La Salle University, not just another branch of De La Salle and not just your usual school here in the Philippines. This is the main campus extension of DLSU. So this is also the Center for Research Institute awarded by the Philippine government. You are beside one of the prestigious universities here in the Philippines. At mas malaki pa po ito kaysa sa De La Salle University main campus in Manila. So ito na technically yung ginagawa nilang main campus because we know that Metro Manila right now is suffering from flood when we have kahit nga hindi bagyo, mga konting rain lang nagpa-flood na talaga. So nililipat na po nila yung main campuses here. This is just one of the main universities na malapit sa Benido. Ano pa yung mga schools na malapit sa Benido? Bukod sa itong katabing DLSU, Benido is also near the 40-hectare University of Santo Tomas and of course, the relaunched University of the East. Wala pa po dyan yung mga non-university schools natin, just like Caritas Don Bosco School. And of course, we have here in the area the Chiang Kai-shek College, St. Scholastica's College West Grove, and of course, Miriam College and Xavier School inside Nuvali. We're done with the universities. Now, let's focus here in Broadfield Estate. Now, just like what I was saying, BGC feels. Yun lang yung ginagawa ko because this will literally not be the next BGC of the South. It has its own character. And as you can see in the area right now, magpan ako dito, a lot of trees because this is planned to be the next or the first business campus district in the South. So, in the future, makikita nyo sa render, hindi lang ito basta puno ng buildings. Let's go here. So, this one, as you can see here in the tarpaulin, this will be their main amenity here in the area on what they call Central Park. So, let's go here. So, dito itatayo yung Central Park. A lot of open spaces in the future and at the same time, they are balancing talaga greenery because mga estudyante yung nandito and ang nakikita ko dito, as you can see in the render, yung building niya, mga mid-rise lang, katulad nito, hindi ganun katataas like yung mga skyscrapers natin in Makati and BGC because they are really creating a community. Ginawa nila ng lot-only project just like Benido. You will build your family there, magkakaroon ka ng children, and yung mga anak mo, mag-aaral sa De La Salle University. But don't worry, yung mga anak mo kapag nakagraduate dyan sa De La Salle University, which also offers basic education, pwede rin na makapag-apply at makapag-work inside Broadfield Estate. I am seeing this, yung plano nila dito, just like the Silicon Valley na maraming mga tech and mga IT offices in the future. And here's what it gets excited dito sa area. If you are looking naman for a retirement lot and nasanay kayo, I know you are living in different parts of the world. Sa US nga lang, United States of America is very diverse. Usually, yung iba, hindi sanay na super suburban yung community. Yung iba naman, hindi sanay na super city-like living naman. So dito sa Broadfield, kahit magkaka-buildings na in the future, parang nasa middle ka ng suburban living and city-like living. And of course, yung accessibility yung hindi matatawaran dito. Just like Nuvali, Broadfield Business District will also have its own big box locator. So ano tong big box locator na sinasabi ko? Ngayon si Nuvali, yung big box niya, Nandyan yung Uniqlo, nandyan yung Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, Landers, and SNR. So magkakaroon din po dito sa Broadfield kasi mixed use community ito eh. But ang exciting part, hindi daw po Landers or SNR yung itatayo dito. It will be a game changer. So ngayon, kahit na hindi pa sila nag-a-announce, baka magdala ulit sila maybe a foreign brand like a US brand. I'm not saying na ito yung brand na to, pero ngayon naglalaro sa isip ko, magkakaroon na rin kaya ng Costco or maybe Sam's Club sa Pilipinas? So abangan natin siya. And the last major driver in the area or within Broadfield Estate on where Venido is located, napakadami pong road networks na dinedevelop ngayon si Ayala Land. So, top view sa ating drone shot. Ngayon, ang existing is the Cavite-Laguna Expressway. If you wanna go to Manila, you just have to take Calax, going to Mamplasan exit, and then take SLEX going to Manila, BGC Makati, NAIA International Airport, and going to the North Luzon using Skyway. That's just one of the road network here in the area. Ano pa yung pwede? Magkakaroon po at bubuksan in the future yung Carmona Access Road. So itong Carmona Access Road connecting to sa Aira Heights, which is another township development or estate development of Ayala Land, na kapag nandun ka na rin sa Carmona, mapapalapit ka din sa isa pang SLEX exit, which is Carmona exit, that you can take going to Manila again. Ano pa? Hindi pa po natatapos yung ating access. If you will go to the flyover, visit Nuvali, of course, in the Nuvali area, it's beside Greenfield City, meron ulit major access. Kaya sinabi ko kanina, nandyan kasi sa Greenfield City area, beside it is the University of Santo Tomas, and kapag tinake nyo yung Eton City exit, nandyan yung University of the East. Another SLEX exit through Eton City SLEX exit. And the last one, guys, itong ginagawa ngayon, itong road na to, this is the connecting road of Broadfield going to South Forbes. So kapag nasa loob ka ng South Forbes, magkakaroon niya ng connecting road. Saan siya papunta? Papunta sa Southmont Estate of, again, it's an Ayala Land Estate which is connected in Silang, and an elevated lot projects meron tayo dyan, and papunta rin ng Tagaytay. So nakikita niyo yung plan ni Ayala, kaya I think yung rumor na magkakaroon ng bus rapid transit in the future, it's super possible kasi nagkakaroon siya ng connecting roads sa mga Ayala Land Estates niya dito sa area. Ang unique lang dito sa South, maghihilahan ng market value appreciation dito sa future. Kasi bakit? Dahil first time na magkakalapit yung Ayala Land Estate, Nuvali, Broadfield, Southmont, Aira Heights, and of course, kahit hindi to Ayala Land Development, we have Sevina Park of Artha Land, which is beside a golf driving range, and of course, the South Forbes by Cathay Land, and the Greenfield City and the Villar Development. This is what a South development unique to other developments kasi tabi-tabi siya. Hindi yung ito lang yung development and then maghintay ka sa future. Dito, it's already happening. And kailangan nating sumabay if ayaw natin na mag-reach na yung peak and magsisi tayo in the future na sana pala habang ito pa lang yung nakikita namin, nakapag-invest and nag-lock in na kami ng price. Now, let's go to the last two lots inside Venido. We're now here inside Venido in Broadfield Estate, and who would have thought, sa likod ko, a lot of trees and greeneries, na we are inside the future campus business district of the area. That's why, as I've mentioned earlier, you have the balance of nature, but at the same time, paglabas mo dito, a city-like feels. Let's look at the clubhouse of Venido. Look at this beautiful pool complex of Venido. Para siyang in a way infinity pool, or you are like, for example, no, ayoko rin ulit magpaka-exaggerate, pero yun kasi naiisip ko, parang Bali, Indonesia feels. So ito yung isa sa vacant lot natin ngayon for the last two lots left. End lot siya, or you are technically here in the area, mamaya pupuntahan natin, and open space or greenery, or ito lang, mountainous part lang, at pwede kang maggawa ng katulad nitong pool, maybe a mini pool for your house, enjoying this view, enjoying these open spaces, pero at the same time, again, you are inside a business district and a very good driver of market value appreciation in the future. So you are getting the best of both worlds. It's early in the afternoon as we shoot right now, and it's supposed to be like mainit dapat, no? Pero as you can see, habang nilalakad natin tong mga jogging trails or walking paths dito sa inside Venido, sobrang hangin. Grabe yung beauty because of these trees. So kita nyo naman, and nasa amenity pa lang po tayo. Wala pa po tayo sa last 2 lots. And really, yung last 2 lots na natira, I think yung isa has the best location and it's both facing east. So habang ine-enjoy natin, because it's rolling terrain po, yung amenity area nila, hindi porket nasa loob tayo ng future business district, hindi na makakagawa si Ayala ng ganitong community na parang pag nasa loob ka talaga, it feels like you are in a suburban community. Again, still suburban community pa rin naman, pero katabi mo kasi magiging business district. So yeah, let's go to the last 2 lots. At my back is our first lot recommendation for the last 2 lots here in Venido. So this is Block 19 Lot 6. So as you can see at the top view, it's almost square cut. So nakikita nyo, no, almost square cut ito. 302 square meters. So nearly perfect square na rin as I can see here in our map. So at the top view, nilagyan namin ng highlight yan para mas ma-appreciate nyo. So this is 302 square meters again, and this is a perimeter lot. But this is not just your perimeter lot. Let's go here. Where I'm standing right now, this is the Block 19 Lot 6. And then, kapag nagpatayo kayo, maybe open space here or your pool, this would be your view. Imagine, first floor pa lang ng bahay nyo to. How much more pag nasa second floor kayo at meron kayong viewing deck in this area, this would be an unobstructed open spaces with this mountainous area. Don't worry, kasi malaki naman yung easement dito sa likod. As you can see, meron pang about 5 to 7 meter easement na Alveo property pa din siya. So, flat pa rin siya, yung area na siya. Hindi siya yung sobrang, parang meron ng hindi elevated na part na parang krika. No. As you can see here in this area, pag nilapitan nyo, sobrang laki pa ng part outside the perimeter lot kung ano yung easement niya. Now, let's talk about the price of this lot. So, these lots here are cheaper than the lots in New Valley right now. So, sa New Valley right now, excluding the VAT, the price per square meter there is at about 59,000 to 62,000 pesos per square meter. Lalo na kapag ganito ka-prime yung lote. For this one, VAT exclusive, ang price per square meter lang nito is at about 44,196 pesos and 42 centavos per square meter. So, nasa less than 45,000 pesos per square meter pa po tayo dito. So, for the total contract price, ang total contract price nito, including the VAT, is only at 14,949,000 for a 302 square meter lot. If we will compare it to New Valley lot, yung 280 square meter nila, nasa around 16 million pesos na. That's how cheap the lot is, but still an Ayala Land premium investment here in Venido. So if you will buy this in cash, you will be getting a 19% discount. That's very big because the usual percentage discount, if you will choose the cash payment, you will only get the 10% discount. But now, we have a promo of 19% cash discount, so makakatipid ka ng 2.8 million pesos, giving you a total contract price with that of only 12,108,690 pesos. So that is for cash payment term. Now, paano naman kapag hindi cash term? Kahit na ready for occupancy to, kung ayaw nyo pang patayuan ng lote, meron kang option na 3 years to pay down payment. That's how good this investment is. Kasi kahit ready for occupancy or pwede mo na i-build yung bahay mo, they will give you the option of a pre-selling payment term. So for example, eto na, nakita mo na yung community, no? Yung total contract price nito is at 14,949 pesos, ganun pa din. You will just give a reservation payment of 50,000 pesos. After 50,000 pesos, the following month, February 2026, magbabayad ka lang ng 10% down payment, which is at 1,437,500 pesos. And then the following month again, hindi sila magsasabay-sabay, starting March 2026 to February 2029. Again, March 2026 to February 2029, you will just pay a monthly amortization of 41,400 pesos for this prime lot with a beautiful view sa likod ng lote mo. Ang maiiwan na balanse after 3 years is 80% of the total contract price, which is at about 11.8 million, plus the transfer of title fees, other charges, or miscellaneous fees of about 730,000. So, mga 12.4 million, you can loan it through bank, and because you have 3-year low monthly down payment term, pwede mong i-pay in cash in the future after 3 years, so you bought a property without paying any interest. Again, this is my first recommendation, Block 19, Lot 6. Our second lot recommendation and our last lot left here in Venido is Block 21, Lot 18. The lot cut here is 412 square meters. So if you don't want like a perimeter lot, this is also a good option. And if you want a bigger one. So as you can see, their cut is regular din, almost square din siya, at very maliit lang yung community. As you can see here, ito na agad yung kabilang perimeter wall ng community. So nandito yung road going to, pag lumabas ka ng gate, ito yung going to Carmona SLEX exit or Carmona papuntang Era Heights. And kapag naman dito sa right, papunta ka na dyan sa may Broadfield, De La Salle University, and Blue Valley. At kitang-kita yung pinuntahan natin kanina, para lang makita nyo, no? Though nakikita nyo naman to sa drone shots ngayon, nandito na lang yung kabilang perimeter lot. So very, very exclusive community. So the total contract price of this lot is at 19,677,120 pesos including the VAT. So for this one, the reservation fee for this one is 100,000 pesos. So for example, you reserve this month, the following month, you will just pay a 10% spot amounting to 1,867,800 pesos. And then the following month again, mag-start yung low monthly down payment mo for 3 years or 36 months at 54,700 pesos. So right now, this is still cheaper than New Valley and other Ayala Land Estate, considering that you will get a bigger lot cut of about 412 square meters. After 3 years, may maiiwan ka na balance, including your other charges for the miscellaneous transfer of title of about 966,000. So total, including the balance ng lote na 15.7 million, so that would be of around 16.7 million pesos that you can loan it through bank or pay it in cash because you still have 36 months to pay, low monthly down payment, and pwede kang mag-ipon using your personal or savings account. And if hindi mo man po ma-fully paid, baka makapag-balloon payment ka na instead of 16.7 million yung i-allot mo na payment for your lot, mabawasan mo siya, mas konti na lang yung ilo-loan mo in the future and mas makakapag-focus ka sa house construction cost. So that's it. That's our last 2 lots here in Venido. So yung nakikita nyo na parang white building, that's already De La Salle University. It's literally beside De La Salle University and Broadfield Business District. And of course, you won't feel that you are beside the future BGC, no? Dahil ganito po kasi yung community. So yeah, this is Venido. This is a very good investment kasi mas accessible ka sa lahat, hindi ka masyadong loob na loob, and you are still holding an Ayala brand. So I hope na-tour ko kayo dito. I hope mas nakapagbigay ako ng new or rare nga no, na investment dito sa area na hindi lang tayo kulong sa New Valley, but marami pa pong Ayala Land Estate within this area. But of course, here in Venido, we just have 2 lots left. So if you are interested, if you want to schedule a Zoom presentation or a site viewing if you are here in the Philippines, you may just contact me through my local mobile number, iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account That is +63927 1851590. Business email thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. You may also directly contact me through my personal Facebook account, that is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Please do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Property Geek, our Facebook page, The Property Geek as well. And of course, we are also in Instagram and TikTok account. We are still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa ating latest vlog. I'm very proud of what's happening here in the South. This is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, your Property Geek.